Okay, welcome back to Ride with Gary. This video, just a bit of a tester really. I've just got a new camera which allows me to put the microphone inside the helmet rather than having to do a voiceover when I get home later. So hopefully it'll make things a little bit easier. Though I did have to buy a new helmet as well, because the helmet I normally use is an open face one, so there's nowhere to put the microphone in it. And to be honest, I'm not entirely sure if I bought the right size helmet. This one, it's one of those where the face opens up, and when it's open it feels fine. But as soon as I lock it down, it feels quite tight around my forehead. And after half an hour or so, you start to get a bit of a headache. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure if I bought the right one or not. I'll just see how it goes for a week or two. Maybe it'll bed in a bit and loosen up with any luck. So yeah, just gonna go for a bit of a ride down some country lanes. See how this microphone picks up my voice on the camera. So I don't know what we're gonna talk about. This route is basically my go-to route if I've only got an hour or so to get out. If I don't have, you know, half a day or whatnot, then this is a nice little route. It's down some nice country lanes and whatnot. See some nice scenery. Some nice little villages along the way as well. A couple of decent pubs. If you're after dinner time, you can get a pint or two. If you're before dinner, have a coffee. The bike's starting to run a lot better now. I think I've done about, what we at, 1148 miles we're at. And yeah, it's running really nicely now, really smooth. When I first bought it, you know, it was a bit rough around the edges. But yeah, now it's got those miles on it, it's running really well. Oh, hey up, here comes a train. We're stuck at the crossing. Hopefully it won't be long. This train track always seems to stop me for some reason. Pretty much every time I come this way I get stuck with a train. It doesn't normally take too long here though. Some of them you can be sat for ages waiting. There you go, up it goes. We can get on with our ride. Must be a boring job that, just sat up there waiting for trains to come, opening gates and closing them all day. Not exactly got much to do, have they? Bloody hell, there's a strong smell of weed around here. Bit early for that kind of thing. Can't stand that smell. Hey up, what's going on here? More bloody roadworks everywhere you go. This used to be a nice big field where people could walk their dogs and whatnot. And of course the government have knocked a load of bloody houses up on it. Everywhere you go now there's just houses. You have to keep your eye on the speed signs around here because they're changing everybody a couple of 100 yards. Couple of horses here. You always get horses down these lanes. Oh bloody hell, more roadworks. Not gonna get anywhere today. There's a good farm shop just up here. You like your fruit and veg nice and fresh and some meat and whatnot. Just in that corner there, just where that horse is coming out. Cracking little shop that. Always nod to your fellow biker. Bit like on buses. I used to be a bus driver and we all used to wave at each other when we went past. You get the same thing on bikes, everybody nods at each other. Nice and friendly. I'm going to end this video here because I'm going to pull over and check to see just how well this has recorded my voice, and then I've got a couple ideas for some other videos to crack on with. Bloody glass everywhere here, that's not good.